I wanted to briefly talk about signs that your water heater may need replaced soon. One is if it's not producing as much hot water as it used to. It could be a couple different items, either too much sediment built up because you don't have any water quality, water treatment, or poor water quality. Another item could be a couple different failures of the water heater. But also, if you're starting to see in this particular unit, as you can see along the bottom, start to have the rust come out. That's a sign that the tank could be leaking. They'll start off a lot of times as it'll leak for a little bit and temporarily seal back up, or it's leaking so slow it'll evaporate, but you'll start to get that rustiness around the bottom. Could be a sign the tank is about to start leaking a lot worse. Second item, the gas thermostat right here. If it's starting to fail, if it's a 5 to 7 year old model, we can usually repair those. But if it's older than that, it may be cost prohibitive to replace the thermostat rather than getting latest model water heater. Another area I look around is the cold inlet and the hot outlet up top. If you start to get some corrosion, some buildup, some signs of leakage there, that could be a small crack in the tank up top. Also, if there's thermal expansion, this tank doesn't have it, but it can cause the actual top of the tank to bend and expand. If this isn't flat and seems to be these two pipe nipples are turned in, or this is expanded in kind of a dome-like situation, that could also be a problem that your tank is about to start leaking. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you tuning in, and have a good day.